You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, vocabulary in English that many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to listen to intense or passionate feeling, that's the meaning. British English pronunciation, fervour. Fer, a schwa sound and a sound. Fervour. Fervour. Stress on the first syllable. American English pronunciation. The spelling would be different in American English without the U. Fervour. Fervour. So, fervour or fervour. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.